Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're just east of the Las Vegas Strip and we are camping at the KOA here at the Samstown Casino. We're gonna head over to the camper and make some casino chicken. Sweet when you get here, but it can be spicy once you lose some money. Now these are the ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. We've got honey, squeezed ginger, sweet chili sauce, gochujang, rice wine vinegar, fish sauce, low sodium soy sauce, minced garlic, some chicken, and some microwave jasmine rice. Let's get started. Now the first step is just going to be chopping up our chicken. So now we've got our chicken in, and we are going to put this on a medium high, and this was 5 chicken tenders. Now we can let those start to cook while we make our sauce. Now this is going to be a sweet and spicy sauce. We're going to start with 1/8 cup of honey, 1/8 cup of gochujang, 1/8 cup of sweet chili sauce, 1/8 cup of squeezed ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now, if you've been watching our channel for a while, you know about the rice. So we've got that microwaving, just follow the package directions. And over here, our chicken is almost done. So I turned down the heat a little bit, and now we are gonna pour in that delicious sauce. And then you just wanna make sure that all of that chicken is coated. And you'll bring this up to a simmer and cook it until the sauce has thickened and the chicken reaches temperature. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you try out this sweet and spicy casino chicken. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.